This is probably, it's not the most difficult part of the lesson, but it's, I don't know, it has the most potential to be a little hard to understand. Now, this is the no particle, which connects two or more nouns. You can connect lots and lots of nouns. But anyway, you connect two nouns with the no particle. And what the no particle does is it takes the second noun, which is the main idea, and explain something about it with noun number one. The first thing I have down here is Andi no keitai. Keitai is cell phone. So in this case, no, it's like the possessive in English. It is the possessive. So it's Andy's phone. Andi no keitai. So no acts as the possessive, but it's not only the possessive. That's one function of the no particle. So here's Nagano no bunka. That's once again the possessive. Nagano's culture. In that case, it's the possessive again. The next one is not the possessive. It's Youchien no sensei, kindergarten teacher. So it's just expounding on the second noun, which is sensei, teacher. What kind of teacher? A Youchien no sensei, so a kindergarten teacher. And down below, right now, big news over here is the Rugby World Cup. Rugby no senshu, a rugby player. You can actually just keep these things going and have as many no's as you want just to explain more and more about something. But the rules for how, like the order, are a little bit complicated, so we're not going to go over that today, but it does show up later in the book. So today it's just a single no. The great thing about no is that you can use the sentence structure from the beginning of the lesson, which is x, y, desu, and you can make it way more complex. So you can talk about more things. My first example is Rugby no senshu wa tsuyoi desu. Rugby players are strong. We've already got a more complex sentence than we were able to make at the beginning. Rugby no senshu, a rugby player, wa tsuyoi. Tsuyoi is strong. The next one is Yuki-san wa anime no fan desu. So anime, you guys know what anime is, I'm sure. And fan is fan. It's all basically just English. Yuki-san wa anime no fan desu. You'll notice that the main, once again, the main thing is fan. What kind of fan is she? She's an anime fan. The main thing comes last. The next one is Ore no okaasan, so my mom, wa gakko no sensei desu. So you can also have more than one of these structures in your sentences, and it just gets longer and longer and longer. So Ore no okaasan, so my mom, wa gakko is school. No sensei desu. So she's a teacher of school. She's actually a kindergarten teacher, I think. That's how the no particle works. You just take the main idea, put it last. Before no, you explain something about it. Do you guys have any questions about this lesson? The next lesson is also not particularly complicated, but the next one after that might take more than one.